Imagine driving down a street lined with houses. Each home has its own unique charm, but one stands out more than the others. Which one catches your eye? Is it the one with the vibrant flowers, neatly trimmed hedges, and a lush green lawn? Likely, it's the one with a well-maintained yard and inviting landscape. A beautiful yard can transform an ordinary house into a stunning home. Landscaping is more than just aesthetics. It significantly impacts your home's value and your quality of life. A well-designed landscape can increase your home's curb appeal and make it more attractive to potential buyers. A thoughtfully designed landscape welcomes you home, creates a sense of peace, and increases your property's worth. It provides a serene environment where you can relax and unwind after a long day. It's an investment that pays off in enjoyment and financial returns. Not only does it enhance your living experience, but it also adds significant value to your property. Whether you're planning to sell or stay put, landscaping is key. For sellers, it can be the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. Remember, your home is more than just four walls. It's an extension of you. The exterior should reflect the care and attention you give to the interior. Landscaping allows you to express your style and create a space that reflects your personality. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a lush tropical paradise, your yard can be a canvas for your creativity. So, let's explore how to make your outdoor space as beautiful and inviting as your indoor haven. With the right design and maintenance, your yard can become a true extension of your home, offering a welcoming retreat for you and your guests. We all know the power of a first impression. The same goes for your home. Curb appeal, the visual allure of your home from the street, plays a crucial role in attracting potential buyers and setting the tone for what lies within. A well-maintained landscape instantly elevates your home's exterior. Lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and well-defined edges create a sense of care and attention to detail. Think of it as the gift wrapping on a beautifully chosen present. Adding simple elements like a welcoming walkway, potted plants, and outdoor lighting can transform your home's facade. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in making your home the envy of the neighborhood. A lush green lawn is a classic symbol of a well-kept home. It provides a sense of openness and creates a welcoming space for outdoor activities. Regular mowing, fertilizing, and watering are essential for maintaining a healthy and vibrant lawn. Complement your lawn with colorful gardens that add visual interest and attract pollinators. Choose a variety of plants with different blooming periods to ensure year-round color. Consider incorporating native plants, which require less maintenance and thrive in your local climate. Remember, your garden should reflect your style. Whether you prefer a formal English garden or a more relaxed wildflower meadow, let your personality shine through. Pathways are more than just functional elements. They guide the eye and create a sense of journey and exploration in your outdoor space. Well-defined pathways add structure and elegance, connecting different areas of your yard. Consider using materials that complement your home's architecture, such as flagstone, brick, or gravel. Add solar-powered lights along the path to create a warm and inviting ambiance in the evenings. Don't be afraid to get creative with curves and bends to add visual interest. A meandering pathway encourages visitors to slow down and appreciate the beauty of your landscape. Section 5. Outdoor havens, creating functional spaces. Today's homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to extend their living space outdoors. Creating functional outdoor rooms adds value and enhances your enjoyment of your property. Consider adding a patio for dining, a fire pit for cozy gatherings, or a pergola for shaded relaxation. Define these spaces with outdoor furniture, rugs, and lighting to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Remember, your outdoor spaces should be an extension of your indoor living areas. Choose durable and weather-resistant materials that can withstand the elements while reflecting your personal style. Section 6. The ROI of landscaping, real-life transformations. Now let's talk numbers. When we think about home improvement, landscaping often comes to mind as a purely aesthetic choice. However, the financial benefits are substantial. Investing in landscaping isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making a smart financial decision that can significantly increase your home's value. Imagine transforming your outdoor space and seeing a tangible return on investment. It's a win-win situation. Studies have shown that well-landscaped homes can sell for 5 to 15% more than comparable homes with minimal landscaping. This means that the effort and money you put into your garden can come back to you many times over. Imagine a home purchased for $300,000. With a 10% increase in value due to landscaping, that's an additional $30,000. This extra value can be a game changer, whether you're looking to sell your home or simply increase its worth for future financial security. These real-life examples demonstrate the power of landscaping to transform not only your outdoor space, but also your financial portfolio. Remember, landscaping is an investment that appreciates over time. As your garden matures, so does its value. As trees and shrubs mature, they add even more value and beauty to your property. The long-term benefits of a well-maintained landscape are undeniable, making it a wise choice for any homeowner looking to enhance their property's appeal and value. Section 7. Sustainable Choices, Eco-Friendly Landscaping. In today's world, sustainability is more important than ever. Incorporating eco-friendly practices into your landscaping not only benefits the environment, but also saves you money in the long run. Consider using drought-tolerant plants that require less water, reducing your water bills and conserving precious resources. Opt for organic fertilizers and pest control methods to minimize your environmental impact. Incorporate rainwater harvesting systems to collect and reuse rainwater for irrigation. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in creating a more sustainable and eco-friendly landscape. Section 8. DIY, or call the pros planning your project. Once you've envisioned your dream landscape, it's time to decide whether to tackle the project yourself or call in the professionals. This decision is crucial and can significantly impact the outcome of your project. DIY landscaping can be a rewarding experience, but it requires time, effort, and a good understanding of plants and design principles. You'll need to research the types of plants that thrive in your climate, understand soil conditions, and plan for seasonal changes. If you're short on time, have a complex project, or prefer to leave it to the experts, hiring a professional landscaper is a wise choice. Professionals can handle intricate designs, large-scale installations, and have access to specialized equipment that can make the job easier and more efficient. They have the knowledge, experience, and equipment to handle every aspect of your project, from design to installation. Their expertise can help avoid common pitfalls and ensure that your landscape is both beautiful and sustainable. Remember, communication is key when working with professionals. Regular meetings and updates can help keep the project on track and ensure that your vision is being realized. Clearly convey your vision, budget, and maintenance preferences to ensure a successful outcome. Discussing these details up front can prevent misunderstandings and help the landscaper create a design that fits your lifestyle and long-term maintenance capabilities. Section 9. Budgeting for beauty, managing landscaping costs. Landscaping costs can vary widely depending on the scope of your project, the materials used, and whether you hire professionals. It's essential to establish a realistic budget upfront and stick to it. Start by prioritizing your needs and wants. Determine which features are most important to you and allocate your budget accordingly. Consider phasing your project over time if budget constraints are a concern. Remember, even small budget-friendly updates can make a significant impact. Refreshing mulch, adding colorful annuals, and installing solar lights are all affordable ways to enhance your landscape. Section 10. Maintenance matters, keeping your investment lush. Once you've created your dream landscape, it's crucial to maintain it properly to ensure its longevity and preserve your investment. Regular maintenance, including watering, weeding, pruning, and fertilizing, is essential for a healthy and vibrant landscape. Establish a regular maintenance schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Consider investing in tools and equipment that make maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. By dedicating a small amount of time each week, you can keep your landscape looking its best for years to come. Section 11. Conclusion. Invest in your oasis. Landscaping is more than just aesthetics. It's an investment in your home, your well-being, and your future. From boosting curb appeal to creating inviting outdoor living spaces, a well-designed landscape enhances your enjoyment of your property and increases its value. Whether you prefer a lush green lawn, colorful flower gardens, or a sustainable, eco-friendly design, Let your personality shine through in your outdoor space. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and your landscape is an extension of that sanctuary. So go ahead, invest in your oasis. Create a space that welcomes you home, inspires peace and tranquility, and adds value to your life for years to come.